The word actually comes from European mythology. In European mythology, Halcyon was a mythical bird जो पानी में तैरता हुआ नेस्ट बनाता था और उस नेस्ट में अंडे देता था। इस बर्ड के अंदर कुछ ऐसी मैजिकल पावर्स थी जिससे वो पानी की वेव्स को और तेज हवाओं को शांत कर देता था। From this mythical bird we get the modern meaning of the word Halcyon. Halcyon is peaceful. Halcyon is serene. Halcyon is tranquil. For example, Halcyon countryside, a Halcyon sky, a Halcyon lake. If something is relaxed or at peace, it is described by the word Halcyon. We also have the phrase Halcyon days. It refers to the period of peace and prosperity. So समृद्धि का दौर, खुशहाली का दौर, शांति का दौर, Halcyon days. Let's have a usage here.
Would you look at that?
Like seeing the face of God.
Amen,
I remember when it used to flow every Wednesday.
Those were the halcyon days.
brother. Must be a reason she quit on us.
Whatever the reason, something is controlling this here water.
What do you say, Sheriff?
Those were the Halcyon days. Those were the days of prosperity and happiness. वो दौर जब पानी आता था, खुशहाली का दौर था, समृद्धि का दौर था. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. Another usage, she often recalled the halcyon days of her youth. Those were the halcyon days of Athens. So वो time period Athens की prosperity का period था, खुशहाली का period था. Halcyon days, period of peace and prosperity.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.